Hey everyone, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hello, welcome to my channel. And so for this week's nail tutorial, I am going to do a nail tutorial inspired by Spider-Man. This week I have watched some game walkthroughs of the new Spider-Man Marvel game, and it's very exciting, it's very cool, it's very good. Down below I leave two links to two awesome gamers who played Spider-Man that you can check it out if you really want to, but if not, you can look at this video. So I'm going to do a nail tutorial inspired by Spider-Man. So if you haven't already, go down below and subscribe to my channel, because why not? And give this YouTube video a like and share this video, because Spider-Man's awesome and this game is awesome, so everyone should recreate this and want to see it. So let's sit back and relax, and let's get started with this video.
You got me singing way oh, oh. You look like a guy who could treat me right. Way oh.
Okay everyone, so let's get started with these Spider-Man nails. So you want to prep your nails and put on whatever base coat that you want to put on to prep your nails. So first you want to pull off get a makeup sponge wedge and pull off some pieces from the makeup sponge wedge so you can sponge on the red and blot on some of the red, because I don't want the diagonal line to be crisp and clean. I want it splotty and fade out, so that's why I want to add that makeup sponge wedge layer first. I want to start off with the red. So for the wet ring finger, I just paint that whole nail red with two coats, and with the pinky and index finger it's going to be red but in a diagonal this way. And then you want to go back in with your actual nail polish brush and paint on about two coats to make it nice and opaque at the tip of the triangle. So then you want to do that to your middle finger, but this way, the other way of the diagonal, wet with blue, and you do that exact same way. And then on your thumb, you want to put two coats of a tan or a skin colored nail polish. Okay, so you want to start off with your ring finger, and we want to put the Spider-Man logo face on your ring finger. So you want to start off with white, and you want to get that Spider-Man eye shape mapped out, and then fill that eye shape in with white. Fill it all in with white, and then you might want to do two coats to make it nice and opaque. Since around the eyes is a very thicker black, so it's okay if you go into the white just a little bit, but you want to outline the white shape that you made for the eye to outline for the eye. Once you have done that, you want to make the spider webs that are on the face or the suit of Spider-Man. So make those spider webs on the suit in black. index finger, middle finger, and pinky, I just added some spider webs on those fingers diagonally. Once you have those nails done, those are pretty easy. The thumb is going to be the doozy. So on this thumb, I'm going to have a spider like come out from the nail that looks. So it's like the spider is tearing through the nail to get on top. So you want to use like a light creamy brown to just outline everything and to get its shape and to map out where you have the tears of and where the spider is going to be. Once you have that, everything mapped out, you want to fill in the spider. So get your black and then fill in the spider body, head, legs, everything, and then on the little tear parts, kind of like highlight some black areas where it's like so show that's tearing, as you see. Then once you have all of that, I think it's time for highlights. So you want to use a white and highlight the spider's legs and round out his body with some highlight areas, just to highlight certain areas as you feel best. Want to take that same red and spot on, it's okay, it's not opaque and red in this part, paint on a red circle-ish shape on the top of the spider's back or belly, whatever you want to call it. All your nails are done, so you want to put on a top coat. So you want to do a Pro Effects High Gloss Quick Drying Top Coat, so it can be dried pretty quickly, and your design will be safe. And yeah. Put that on, then you're done. That nail tutorial freaking awesome. I am very proud and I thought it came out freaking great. So if you are excited for Spider-Man, excited for the game, and excited to recreate these or just like these nails in general, go down below and like this video, and while you're down there, subscribe to my channel because I have a lot cool new nail tutorials in further weeks, so why not, and subscribe so you be the first one to know about them, and share this video as well please, as with like and subscribe, and thanks so much for watching. Bye.
Yeah.